Oh, you're going to go to flight mode? Oh, good. Okay. Yeah. Now select with the control wheel. Push. Okay. It's
manual? Am I automated?
yeah.
Okay. That's correct.
Yeah. You're the pilot, take off. Let's go to Las Vegas.
Oh my God. Looks like I really did it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, pull up.
Oh my God.
Continue. Oh, you don't have to put no more in there, do you? Oh, you do. Okay. Yeah. Once you get up to speed, you gotta... Oh, don't take your hands off the wheel. When it gets up to 150 knots, speed. Yeah, here's the speed. When you get to 150, go pull up. Please pull the control wheel. There, you're flying. Okay, level out. Oh, you're doing good.
Okay, I'm flying it.
Nobody else is.
Hold on.
Okay, you learned how to fly. You got points. Oh, did not climb or descend suddenly. Do not. There. Oh. Yeah, I'll try it. You can take movies of me.